What's going on, everyone? Glad that you all can tune back in. Glad you all can make it. I really appreciate you all. Sorry for the background noise. We got to probably tune this out. Copyright. But anyway, today we're in Atlanta, Atlantic Station, where Gumball 3000 has arrived. So let's check out what has dropped upon Atlanta. Now, for the short period of time that I've had the Supercar, I've had plenty of people come up to me asking me all kinds of questions. And today, we're going to answer those questions. We're going to get into the life of a Supercar owner, find out any and everything that you wanted to know. So stay tuned, folks. But before we get started, I do ask you just one humble request. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you tell others about the channel. That's how we can bring more content to you all. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, we're about to walk up on an Audi R8 similar to ours, with the exception that it has a twin turbo kit. So check this out. Now the question I get most is, how much did you pay for your R8? And honestly, I can't tell you. I can't tell you why, because 42 Degrees Auto Lifestyle gets you the best deals no matter what it is that you're looking for. R8s, Ventadors, Ferraris, anything. We can help you find the perfect vehicle for the perfect price. Now another question I always get is, do you have to have a college degree to have a Supercar? I don't know the answer to that question. I have one, but I know plenty of people who do not have a degree, who have way more cars than I do, way more exotic, way more supercars than I do. So I think it's up to how you structure yourself, what your goals are, and then you can make anything happen if you put your mind to it. So ever since that Rick Ross Aston Martin music song came out back in, I think it was like 2008, 2009, I always wanted an Aston Martin. Never got one, but check out this one right here. So another question is, how fast have I gone in the R8? And to be honest with you, not all that fast, because I just got it, folks. So, you know, stay tuned, give me some time to break it in, give me some time to get comfortable with it. But I think right now I probably got up to like 110. I think that's about it. But let's believe it's gonna be higher one day. Now, of course, if I had to pick which vehicle out here I would want if I didn't have my R8, now, if you know me, if you've been an OG subscriber to the channel, you all know that I want a Lambo, I want an Aventador. 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 So here's the one at this car show that I would pick. All these exhaust sounds have reminded me that we really need to get an exhaust for the R8. Sounds like a vacuum cleaner right now, so we got to make sure that we change that. See what y'all got?
Water boys in the hood. We started out selling bottled water, came out with the business.
That's all right, that's all right. Now we're out here supporting Gumball 3000 rally, but don't forget, the ultimate road trip experience is coming soon. We're dropping prices next week. Make sure you go to 42degreesautolifestyle.com so make sure you register. Slots are actually filling up very quickly. We're only allowing 30 people, so make sure you check out the website. Make sure you sign up now before you get left out.
They say roads were made for journeys, not destinations. The ultimate road trip experience helps the automotive enthusiast experience incredible places in your own car or a car they have always wanted to drive by combining your love of travel, food, adventure, and most importantly, a fun car. At 42 Degrees Auto Lifestyle, we plan the entire route, hotels, meals, and activities because we believe from the time you meet us, your only job is to focus on the incredible driving and making new friends along the way. Are you ready to experience a road trip like no other?
A question I get a lot is, do you have kids? And the answer to that question is yes, I have one daughter. And then the follow-up question is, well, how do you fit everyone in the car? And the simple answer is, I don't. I don't. We don't all ride together in that car. And unfortunately, we can't, but that's the way it is. But as you know, we got plenty of other cars on the channel that we can all take family trips in, family vacations. So it's all good, folks. Now, people are always fascinated with how much things cost. We already talked about the cost of the vehicle, and people want to know how much the tires cost, how much the insurance costs, how much is everything. Now with the insurance, it's expensive. Now tires, I don't know how much they cost because I haven't had the pleasure to buy tires yet. So fortunately, I don't know how much those cost, but I'm sure they're very expensive because the ones for the S5 were not cheap. Had to get a set of 4 for like 800 bucks. So I'm just going to double that for the R8, and we're going to call it $1,600. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to leave early from the Gumball 3000 car show, but check out my friend's Hey Boys Garage. I'll link his channel in the description below. I think he's going to give y'all what y'all missing from this channel, so make sure you check that out. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, make sure you do all that to support the channel, to support us. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoy this topic, questions to ask a supercar owner. If you have any other questions, make sure you can DM me. All my Instagram information is in the description below. You can also leave comments. I'll be sure to answer everything. So as always, I appreciate you joining. Make sure you, like I said, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you check out our website. The Ultimate Road Trip Experience is dropping soon. Make sure you check out our website to sign up. Spots are leaving quickly. So until next time, stay safe. Appreciate you all.